Hello friends. In statistics, we deal with data. Now, quantitative characteristics of data is known as variable. Is it alright? We have learned it n numbers of times. X and Y, we denote height, weight. This all are variables. Is it? What is it? It is quantitative characteristics of data. Height, weight, time, money, rainfall. This all are quantitative characteristics of data, and hence this will be terming it as a variable. Qualitative characteristics of data is known as attributes. If it is not quantitative, and now people will say, sir, quantitative means quantitative means it can be counted. The answer is no. It is different from counted or not. Is it all right? In qualitative attributes, it comes smell, what will come as smartness, kindness, happiness. These are qualitative characteristics and hence are known as attributes. Sir, while solving the questions in 11th standard, 12th standard, we have never heard this word attributes. We have heard X and Y as variable, but we have never heard attributes. Why? Whenever a statistical analysis is made of data, qualitative data will be converted into quantitative data. How understand? Suppose I am measuring happiness. When I am collecting the data, excuse me, when I am collecting an data, I will ask a person, decide your happiness based upon a scale of 1 to 10. If you give 10, you are happiest. If you give 1, you are saddest. Means the qualitative data is converted into quantitative data and then analyzed. Is it alright? So ultimately, this is converted into this and then analyzed in statistics. But whenever there is a qualitative data in statistics, it is termed as attributes. Whenever it is quantitative data in statistics, it is termed as variable. And in variable, understand, as we know, this is already converted into this and then analyzed. Variable are divided into two parts. Now this some of them are absolutely clear, some of them are having problem in this. Is it alright? It is discrete and continuous variable. Discrete variable, continuous variable. I'll explain you in very easy manner. Anything which can be counted is discrete. Anything which cannot be counted can be counted exactly. Cannot be counted exactly is a continuous variable. I have seen my student telling me this, sir, if it is a 15.6, it is continuous variable. If it is 15, it is discrete variable. The answer is no. Even if it is in decimal points, if there are points, that does not mean it is a continuous variable. Is it all? Anything which can be counted exactly cannot be counted exactly. Is it all right? Now, even if this is simple, believe me, it is complicated. Let me ask you a question. Pause the video and tell me whether height of a person can be counted exactly, cannot be counted exactly. Pause the video and think about it. Yes. Height of a person, you might have thought it is a discrete variable, but the answer is incorrect. It is a continuous variable. Height of a person cannot be counted exactly. Why? Say my height is 5 feet, 6 inches. 6 inches is 0.5. How much then? 3. How much then? 2. How much then? 1. How much then again? I don't know. Is it alright? There is no measurement tools by which I can measure my exact height. When I say my height is 5 foot and 6 inches, it is approximately. It can be counted exactly. The answer is no. There are n numbers of points. Sir, there is no tool to measure it. I agree. So only it is which variable? It is a continuous variable. So continuous variable, to your surprise, is height. Height is a continuous variable. It is not a discrete variable. Weight. Sir, I know my weight. It is 54 kgs. Point how much? 3. Then 2. Then 1. Then there is no weighing scale which can measure this. Even if they cannot measure it, means your weight cannot be measured exactly. Is it alright? Time. In how many seconds you can run 100 meters? Is it alright? Try to understand. You can run 100 meters in, say, 10.52 seconds. Understand? 10.5213. Then how much? Up till this, say, Olympic clock can measure. But after that, even Olympic clock cannot measure. Is it alright? So ultimately, it can be measured, understand, but cannot be measured exactly. Is which variable? Continuous variable. Is it alright? What is discrete variable? Money lying in my pocket. Is it alright? I am finding out. I am having 50 rupees. Can it be measured exactly? The answer is yes. Point something? No. Is it alright? Say, I was having 50 paisa more. It is 50.50. Exactly, yes. Even if it is decimal, it is which variable? Is discrete variable. So anything which can be measured exactly. Number of fans in your house, discrete variable. Number of AC in your house, discrete variable. Height, weight of your father, mother is a continuous variable. One can be measured. Exact money lying at your home in cash, discrete variable. Even if it comes to 1 crore 25 lakhs 36,050 paisa. But then also it is which variable? Discrete, because it can be exactly measured. This cannot be exactly measured. Discrete variable, continuous variable. Thank you, friends.